Good day to all. This is Dr. G. Bijesh Pushpa, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to present about the importance and objectives of the intellectual property. Then the importance of intellectual property lies in encouraging innovation, attracting investment, enhancing competitiveness, promoting knowledge, dissemination, and supporting economic growth. In today's knowledge-driven economy, effective management and protection of intellectual property are essential for individuals, businesses, educational institutions, and nations to foster creativity and sustainable development. Then intellectual property refers to creation of the human intellect that have commercial, artistic, scientific, or industrial value. These creations include inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names, images, software, and other innovations. Intellectual property rights are legal rights granted to creators and owners to protect their intellectual creations from unauthorized use, copying, or exploitation. The concept of intellectual property is based on the idea that individuals and organizations should be rewarded for their creativity and innovation, thereby encouraging further research and development. In the modern knowledge-based economy, intellectual property has become one of the most valuable assets for individuals, businesses, educational institutions, and governments. Effective protection of intellectual property fosters innovation, promotes fair competition, and contributes significantly to economic and social development. Now we can see the objectives of intellectual property. The major objectives of intellectual property are: the first one is to encourage creativity and innovation. Second one, to reward intellectual effort. Third one, to promote economic growth. Fourth one, to encourage research and development. Fifth one, to prevent unauthorized use and imitation. Sixth one, to ensure fair competition. Seventh one, to facilitate the transfer of technology and knowledge. Then the first objective is to encourage creativity and innovation. Then by providing legal protection and incentives to creators and inventors, we can encourage creativity and innovation. To encourage the creativity and innovations, the inventor should have the financial support and the financial rewards and the encouragement from others. Then the second objective is to reward intellectual efforts, and they have to recognize and the contributions of individual and organizations should be encouraged. Then third one, to promote economic growth. Then to promote the economic growth by facilitating the commercialization of inventions and creative works. If the business organizations or the individuals commercialized their inventions, then through that they can get the monetary benefits, then automatically it will promote the economic growth. Then next one, to encourage research and development. Then if the government or the business organizations or the individuals the individual should encourage for doing the inventions in science, technology, literature, and arts. It will support to the management of the organizations or the growth of the business or the government. It will be support. Then next objective is to prevent unauthorized and imitation. Then this intellectual property are prevented by the law. So the particular individual or business person's inventions will be protected by the law. So it will not be a copy or imitated by the others. So it will be prevented by the law. So it is very useful to the innovators. Then it ensure fair competition and maintain market integrity. So these are all objectives of intellectual property.